With ePRISM from Terumo Health Outcomes, we believe in empowering healthcare professionals through collaborative training and dedicated support. When embarking on a new technological journey, our clients find a partner in the ePRISM team, committed to seamless integration and comprehensive training.
I think initially, as a team and as a whole, when you're doing something and you're used to doing something a certain way, implementation of something that seems like it's going to be another task to do, another thing to check off, sometimes can be, I would say, intimidating to look at or to start. But when the ePRISM team came in, it was really apparent that that was not going to be the case, and the implementation actually was a lot smoother than what I had thought it was going to be.
Our hands-on approach ensures that healthcare providers are well equipped to utilize ePRISM to its fullest potential.
Change is, I think, a bit scary for everybody, especially those that have been doing the same thing for a long time. However, we had a really dedicated team to train us. We were really trained well, and after everybody was on the same page, there were really no hiccups there.
We focus on understanding each client's unique needs, tailoring our support to enhance their experience with ePRISM.
So we've had a long relationship with Terumo. We have used their products in certain aspects. They are the leaders in industry, and I think this was really a new change that they brought in our process. Because of that relationship, we knew that we can depend on them and they would be providing us good support. And once we started the process, it was pretty seamless. It went on pretty smoothly, and in 3 to 6 months, we were all using the ePRISM platform and all getting benefit from it, and we, in a pretty short time, saw some good outcomes.
Continuous support and updates from the ePRISM team ensure that our clients are always at the forefront of healthcare innovation.
Oh, they've been amazing. I could get on my phone, call them, they'd be here, they would answer, they would respond to texts. They've flown out on several occasions when we've hit little roadblocks, and they've always been there for us. So they were excellent at just helping us and giving us the support that we needed to be successful.
Through collaboration, training, and unwavering support, the ePRISM team is redefining how healthcare technology is implemented and used. Terumo Health Outcomes is your partner in advancing healthcare through technology and collaboration.